In today's video, I am going to show you a practical example of how you can promote an affiliate marketing program. I will go you through each step individually, how to find a product, how to build a sales funnel, how to build a process that you will be able to capture an email to your email leads, and the whole thing will be a practical step-by-step example. Please stay till the end because I have a big bonus for you. Let's go. First thing is for you to go to the ClickBank. We will use a ClickBank, which is actually a big affiliate network where you can have a lot of products. When you sign up and it's free, you just click Marketplace here on the upper corner, and after that you will search for products with a keto and sort by gravity. There is a lot of good products here, but today I will use this one, which is called Keto Resources, which is actually we will be promoting an offer where the people can get 2 free keto diet recipe books with over 200 recipes totally for free. They will just have to pay shipping, and the average conversion for that is $25. So if they buy, you will get around $25. You always sort by gravity. Gravity is how successful a product is or how many affiliates are currently promoting it. This is my brand new account, so there's no sales here, just if you are wondering. This is only for you to see how my process of building an affiliate product sales funnel and how it all works. So basically, most of the affiliate tutorials will say click on promote and then generate a hop link, copy this hop link and promote. Well, this you can do this. Don't do this if you are using paid traffic, because you will be banned, because paid like Google ads and Facebook ads don't like direct affiliate links. So you have to build a landing page or a bridge page which will bridge from your Google or Facebook ads or your social media free organic traffic. You will bridge the gap between the affiliate offer and the traffic source. As you have to build this landing page, you now have the chance to capture the email address of your potential customer before you send them to the affiliate link. So even if they don't buy, you have growing your email list, and you can send other offers or the same offer multiple times to those people, so they are not lost. They don't just come here, buy this book for free shipping, and you never see them again. When you look at the ClickBank product page, there are 2 main links that you need to consider. The first one is this one, Keto Resources, which is actually the link to the sales page, but as this offer has 2 different sales pages, I will go through that on the other link, which is so-called JV Zoo page. It's called affiliate page or JV page. When you click here, you will be brought a page like this where you can see all the terms and conditions you need to oblige to get the 75% commissions. And I already generated a hop link for this offer, which is Simply Tasty Ketogenic plus Insta Keto traditional landing page, which is offering 2 free ebooks or books. They are physical books that you can get just by paying shipping. Let's see how this page works. The hop link is here, so copy it to the clipboard and paste it in your browser so you can see what is actually on the page to make you understand the product. As you can see, you can get 2 free keto cookbooks and enjoy more than 200 fat-burning keto recipes that taste great, are easy to make, and they just enter the shipping email details here and they will get these books by only paid shipping. One thing that is also interesting, if you go out of the page, you will also get, if they buy in the next 15 minutes, which is a scarcity, which is a good thing, 2 smaller top-selling dessert books which is something that people that are looking for keto recipes will probably be buying it. This is the offer. So let's now build the landing page. For this, I will use System.io, which is a big, totally free software as a service. It's free up to 2,000. Let me show you the pricing. So if you go to the pricing, you can see it's free, forever free, up to 2,000 contacts. You can send unlimited mails. You can build free sales funnels with 10 steps each. You can even build a blog. So everything you need to start your affiliate marketing business for free, you can get here. I will put a link in my bio so you can find this excellent software. And this is where I built our funnel. So basically, I will show you how this works. You go to system.io, sign up through the link in my description, and click on Create. Name your funnel, for example, Keto Funnel. Click Build an Audience, and just click Create. For this funnel, I used this very simple template with only the opt-in form. We actually don't need a thank you page, so I will delete it immediately. And I will rename this Get 2 Free Keto Books. So it looks better. You can click Save here, and we will now add it to the funnel. So basically, we can copy and paste text from the actual offer just to make things quicker. We will change this text to receive the 2 free keto books and we will say just pay shipping to make everything clear. And we will say send me, you can click on the button and say here, button text, send me 2 free books now. Okay, so I deleted the thank you page because when people enter their details here and click the button, two things will happen. First one, the form will be sent and the email will be captured inside the system.io, but we will not go to the next step, but we will go to a custom URL, and in that field you will copy this affiliate link that you generated from the JV page. So go here and say and paste this in. So this is all you need to do. Save the changes and you can preview your funnel here. One thing I noticed I didn't do is change the background image. So it's pretty easy. You can go to the pexels.com, which is actually totally free, where you can find totally free, royalty-free images which you can use commercially. So just enter something like keto diet and find a great image like this one. Download this large, not the original, the too big, it's too big. So just download it, go to the editor, select the section, and here in the background image, here you can upload the image we just downloaded and insert. Save the changes, and if you preview now, it looks delicious. Basically, that's it, that's all. If you now test your funnel, you just go out and click on the link, copied link, and we will now test it. So when I say my name and my email and click send, I am taking directly to the affiliate link, and the email is captured, as you can see here. And now when you want to do something with this email, you can go to this keto funnel you created and create an automation. So you can add that email, tag that email with, I don't know, keto diet or something, and then you can build an automation which will send the emails after that. So if you go to the keto resource page or JV page, you will have all the things you need. This is the swipe copies and image banners here. So you have a lot of free marketing materials, and you can do this. As I promised in the beginning of this video, I said that I will share with you the bonus or the free thing. So I will actually share this ready for you funnel in the description below. So just click on it. If you don't have a system account, sign up and automatically this funnel will be done for you inside with my image and everything. Just remember when you get it to edit the squeeze page, click on the button and change the redirection URL to your affiliate link, or otherwise you will use mine. So I hope this helped, and this video deserves a like, so bump that like button below, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on how to start affiliate marketing for free, and see you on the other side.